Hello, I'm Gregory Zengo, the Medical Director of PracticalCME. Since 2008, we've offered small group live and online medical training courses that are fully CME accredited. Find out more about our first ever CME accredited online training in PDO Threads. Our course debuted in 2019 as an online training that can be combined with a supervised hands-on session taught by the thread manufacturers. At the time, it was the first PDO Threads course of any kind to receive AMA Category CME in the world. We accept MDs, DOs, nurse practitioners, physician assistants, and RNs for our online curriculum. Most providers combine our online course with hands-on trainings co-sponsored by thread manufacturers, or use it to expand your knowledge if you already took a hands-on course somewhere else, but feel like you were poorly prepared. Go to our website under Aesthetic Training and click here for more information on the details of our online course that is taken as a prerequisite for any hands-on course offered by the thread manufacturers. Click here for our CME credit statement. Most others just give you a piece of paper not backed by real CME credits. And click here for the entire course outline to see everything that we cover during your training. We give you the most comprehensive evidence-based PDO Threads training available anywhere. See, the problem with PDO thread training is that most hands-on courses are sponsored and are not eligible for CME accreditation and credits. Most of these courses have minimal lecture time in vector design, anatomy, literature review, and safety. They go right into the demonstration treatments on sample patients. Our online course mentions both of the main thread manufacturers, and we spent hours on teaching anatomy, vector design, patient selection, thread properties, literature review, and safety. This is really the ideal preparation anyone needs to do a complicated procedure in a hands-on session like PDO Threads. And that's why our course was made, to pair up with any hands-on class taken later on. Then, once you have that knowledge, you take that knowledge with you into your hands-on class for a much better experience, whether you take that class through MINT, AIAM, which is NovaThreads, or any other hands-on class. But what we have found in our feedback is the people who do our training first get more out of their hands-on experience than if they go into a manufacturer hands-on class cold. Our streaming online curriculum is the first and only CME accredited training course in all things PDO Threads. You will receive your unique login and password once you place your order. Watch the course at your own pace. We cover every aspect of barbed and smooth threads along with patient selection and vector design. The biggest strength is the dozens of live link citations to the medical literature. While PDO threads are relatively new, that doesn't mean there isn't plenty to learn from the existing medical literature to get you up to speed in the standards of care. The online course is updated periodically, and all updates are pushed to you at no charge for 2 years. Once you complete the course and pass the online post-test, you can download your first certificate and a library of customizable patient forms and consents. Use this first certificate to show proof of training and even purchase your first threads while you await to do your first supervised cases or hands-on course. In addition to the detailed instruction and live links to dozens of articles in the primary literature, we don't stop there. Narrated treatment videos about how to plan, combine barbed and smooth thread treatments of the entire face, from forehead to mid-face to jawline, and multiple videos on the placement of barbed and smooth threads for areas of the face and body are also included. Nothing prepares you better for your first hands-on case than seeing many cases performed start to finish in real time with full narration. Only our PDO Thread course does this, but we don't stop there. We also discuss the integration of PRP with your smooth PDO threads as well, in addition to newer vector designs like reverse vectors. Our course has it all and is always up to date. It's your license and your career. Don't waste your time and money on unaccredited large group training. Only PracticalCME has no sponsors controlling the curriculum, at least one MD instructor for your online training course, and you can watch as often as you wish with free updates over a 2-year period. Renew after 2 years for a nominal fee and generate a new CME certificate. You're about to embark on a new service which will enhance your skill set and increase your earning potential, but only if you make patients happy and those patients want to return. This investment in yourself is crucial. Those first few cases have to go well, and this combination of our detailed online course that you can watch over and over again, plus your first supervised cases, will get you to the point where you have the potential to be the leading PDO thread provider in your community. PracticalCME gives you all the tools and support to make this a reality. If you still have questions, go ahead and ask. Hit our live chat button on the bottom right of your screen. Maybe you'll even chat directly with me. Ask us anything. You will always have contact with our faculty before, during, and after your training. Don't settle for less. Reserve your seat today and start learning tonight. The next step in your career starts right here, right now, today.